Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at BigBear.ai stock. This one on Friday was up by just under 4%. It has been a relatively mixed week over here. We have a lot to speak about. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts and overall a conclusion on everything that we saw over the last week. If it sounds like a good episode, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. As always though, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now, really, over the past week, we've had some really mixed reactions, as I say. We saw on Monday into really about Wednesday, the stock just falling and falling and falling. We did touch on levels that we've seen as a support before, around 640, 645. You can see these going back to 29th or 30th. You know, this has been a relatively strong level through that time frame. So again, seeing this hold up here is nothing but ideal. It puts us in a great position. Again, I'm very impressed by that actually holding up. Now we're seeing this one move upwards, which puts us in a very interesting place into next week. My new question is, do we hold supports that we have seen before? Well, so far you're breaking below the 710 point, and again you're coming back down to supports really around 704, which we've seen going back to Friday the 3rd. So my question is this going to be able to hold? If it does, we could be in a very interesting place for seeing that potential bounce, taking us up to levels such as 730, 735, maybe 740 or 750, where we may see some further levels of resistance. If it doesn't hold, I think you could be looking down to the 690s, maybe even down to 680, right, as we have seen before. It's a very interesting time to be paying attention, in my opinion, based on everything that we are seeing. And I'm hoping that into the next week we can see this consolidation begin to build. Again, hopefully with a green day into the first couple of days of the week. Again, consolidating, moving up, breaking above initial resistances around 730, and hopefully pushing on to see some of those higher highs. That's going to be my most ideal situation into the next week. I'd love to hear your thoughts though in the comments. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.